Okay, this is question 6 on your midterm study guide. Okay, when we look at this question, we have 4 times 2x plus 1 equals 27 plus 3 times 2x minus 5. Okay. You see a lot of parentheses in here. It looks complicated. So what you want to do is you want to look at it one little side at a time. And we're going to simplify this whole side before we do anything else. And the way we simplify is we get rid of our parentheses and we get rid of our like terms. Okay? So to get rid of our parentheses, we need to distribute. Okay? 4 times 2x is 8x, and 4 times positive 1 is positive 4. Okay? We don't have any like terms, so we're done with that side. It's simplified. So now we can look at this other side. See how we have a parentheses? We need to get rid of that parentheses. And the way we get rid of parentheses is typically by distributing. Okay? So we have positive 3 times 2x. That's positive 6x. And positive 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Okay? We haven't used this 27 yet, so it will come down. Try not to make the mistake of going 27 plus 3, because it's not really plus 3. It's plus 3 times this parentheses. All of this stuff is being added to 27. So we have to distribute before we add. Okay? So now we look at this side, and we notice that it's still a little more complicated than this, and that's because we have like terms. We have 27, and we have negative 15. So when we want to combine these, you go 27 minus 15. Okay? Well, 27 minus 15 is 12. Okay? So I'm going to bring down the 12, and it's positive because 27 is bigger. Okay? And then this positive 6x we didn't use, so I'm going to bring it down like this. The equals will come down, and the 8x plus 4 will come down as well. So now what we want to do is we want to try to get our x's all on the same side. Now it doesn't matter which direction you could go. I could bring the 8x from over here and put it on this side, or I could take the 6x from this side and put it on the other side. Does not matter. Typically people want the x's on the left because that's what they're used to. So I'm going to bring this 6x to this side. Okay? And the way I'm going to do that is, if it's a positive over here, it's going to become a negative over here, or subtract 6x. Subtract 6x from both sides. Okay, so we had a positive 6x. We make it a negative 6x to bring over here, so it's a negative 6x on both sides. Okay, and that gives us 0 on this side. And what's 8x's minus 6x's? And that gives us 2x's. Okay? The plus 4 will just fall down. The equals will come down. This canceled out like we said, and then you get positive 12. Okay? So, now we got our x's on one side, we need to get our numbers to the other side. So if this is a positive 4 over here, to bring it this way, it's going to become a negative 4. Okay? We change the side, we change the signs. Okay? This gives us 0 right here, and 2x equals 12 minus 4 is 8. And then most of you have already now figured out what the answer is. Okay? But because it was 2x means 2 times x, you divide by 2, and x equals 8 divided by 2, 4. And that's the answer to question number 6. D is 4.